Please start.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. So, ma'am, actually, my name is Mr. S.S. Das. I am representing Omega Scientifics. Actually, my CMD, Mr. Lenin Babu, has to represent, but due to some emergency, he has given the mic to me. So, just I like to start. Can I start now?
Yes, you can start. You can start.
Yeah. So, madam, actually, as you have represented ourselves as a biotech pharma service company, means we generally produce the engineering equipments like filtration systems, fermentation systems, mixing vessels, vaccine pooling systems, and other supporting systems like autoclaves and distillation columns, WFI water systems like RO, DM water systems, and other all accessories which is required for biotech and pharma companies. Basically, we are an engineering company, and we have numbers of customers in India who prefer us to next to Sartorius, and some kind of reputation we have. So I like to share one presentation actually. Can I share the screen now? Can I go for a presentation? Hello? Hello? Can I my share screen? Hello, madam. Hello. I'm unable
Hello.
to.
Yes, sir.
I am unable to go to screen sharing mode. I want to go for a small presentation. That share screen is required. When the share screen is not appearing, actually you have to make me the host or something. I don't know. Hello, am I hearable? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, I want to go to that share screen. Actually.
Yeah. There will be a option on your screen. Share screen. You need to click that.
Oh, I am clicking. Yeah.
That green button. Green button.
Yeah. I clicked. Then I am putting share.
Yes.
Okay, madam.
Now choose a PPT or something you want to show.
Yeah. I'll do that. Is it visible to you now? Hello?
Yeah, it is visible. You just need to press a button of full screen. Go for a full screen. Yes. Go for it.
Okay, madam. Now Just as I told you, I mean, we are basically an engineering company, and we support the customer by our technical fundamentals, by our engineering support, by good quality manufacturing, as well as post support, post installation supports, and I mean other kind of supports like consultancy, etc. Uh, so as you can see, we concept, connectivity, support, scope, added support, and recent projects. uh, most of our company is satisfied with our services, and we are also our extending our support with flexible modules, extremely top-notch fermentations and application support for box approach. And we are established in 2002. More than 550 customers we have, and we are a trusted organization, and top key player in health industry is in our customer group, and we have, I mean, good modern way of fabrication and designs. Our product quality, you can see one of our mixing vessels is in the screen, so you can see the product quality produced now. Same like similar few examples of our products. Yes, then these are the way like design, turnkey, high quality process equipment, and top quality customer satisfaction, basic designs, detailed engineering, process supports. And we understand, we go to the customers, we get their requirements, we help to get their user required specifications and making it to technical offer and drawings, and try to supply with competitive price. Again, some installations in some valuable customers. These are our fermenters. Actually, we are basically supplying the bioreactors and fermenters, both in glass and stainless steel. So these are our bioreactor installation, which is used both in mammalian cell culture as well as microbial cell culture line. Similar drawings and side views. We have our rich experience and competent team of diligent personnel who are offering high quality process and lab equipment. We provide our equipment and services to the clients and cost effective prices in the promised frame time. We also take the turnkey solutions for the process equipments. We understand their requirement. We generally conceive the plan, then propose our plan, then take their technical experts' advice. Then we furnish our what is to be actually produced for them, and we supply them, and as well as we generally support them post commissioning also. Strong designing capabilities we have, and quick and timely support. Our sales and technical team are always for the customers who want us to support them at any point of time. Product supply, equipment design, and what we say actually out of the box support means some of the customer like to help us in process optimization, and also dynamic equipment efficiency, which means without wasting their time or without wasting their process time, we can also determine the efficiency of the equipment with with the concept of dynamic equipment efficiency method, and which is also we nowadays provide end-to-end solution for different molecules in the biological sectors like antibiotics, vitamins, immunosuppressants, steroids, probiotics, nutraceuticals, which means suppose some customer want some sort of technology from us, apart from our engineering support, we like to resource and support them with the technology, which can be adapted by them as per their requirement. Guidelines in erection and commissioning support, like installation qualification, operational performance, and design qualifications. And presently, just we like to share this knowledge that we also can support this moment people who are interested for the molecule like doxycycline, vancomycin, mupirocin, ascorbic acid, cyanocobalamin, testosterone, rondenone, 11-hydroxycaronenon, C22 bioinosal alcohol, tacrolimus, rapamycin, mycophenol mofetal, pimecrolimus, and several beneficiary lactobacillus species which are used for human as a human probiotics. Nutraceuticals like omega-3 fatty acid like DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA. So these are the molecules which we can give the end-to-end solution, like starting from technology providing and also providing the support with the equipments required to establish the technology. This is our several things like mixing vessel, purified water, pharmaceutical water system, horizontal autoclaves, other accessories, blending vessels, fermenter, and glass reactors. These are all the places, types of equipments we supply to the biotech as well as pharma industries. Again, certain equipment, examples of our recent productions, certain things with control panels and other things. Also on installed fermentation again, there is some series of mixing vessels, and we generally believe on the customers, our creativity, and also we feel proud to when the customer feel that they can trust us and they are satisfied with us. So Mr. Lenin Babu, who is supposed to be there, I am Mr. Das, who is leading the new initiatives of the company, and Omega Scientifics, the main which is the address and everything is noted there. We like to, many people, whoever will be seeing these things or will be share this presentation is shared. I don't know who are there who is going to get this information, and if there, so they should be give us the feedback. And as we told, we have both like equipments like autoclaves, equipments like mixing vessels, equipment like vaccine pooling vessel, pressure vessels, fermenter related accessories, filters like notch filter like agitated notch filters, cross flow systems for vaccines, and any kind of pharma equipment, we can say, in short, whatever type of pharma equipments which are required to to support both biotech and pharma industries, all are requested to generate their inquiries and just give us the support that we should get the inquiries from them. So that's the small presentation from our side. And apart from that, I like to share that at this point of time, Omega is not only supplying the equipments, they are also coming out with consultancy solutions. As I already showed few slides, there are people who are interested in biomolecules, people who are interested in production of vitamins, production of immunosuppressant, production of antibiotics, production of high value products, production of nutraceuticals, hormones, steroids, all this kind of different variety molecules. They can give us the opportunity. We can support them in terms of technology providing, resourcing rice technology, resourcing rice strain from them, and giving them the complete support, starting from the media optimization to the end of the final packing of the product. complete technical support we can provide. We have now that capability and competency. So who are interested in this kind of projects, they should write to us. They should share their inquiries or requirements. Then we will be happy to join them to give such kind of services. Apart from the common services as a engineering equipment manufacturing, we also like to say this. And our one of the basic strength in this field is this equipment, whenever it is installed, post installation, the actual efficiency of the equipment. Like I will give you a small example. Suppose we supply a fermenter. So many people supplies fermenter. Okay, when once fermenter is supplied and installed, in a running period of time, or with the batches they are taking with their product, we can also help them to actually test the process parameter, what they are maintaining is good enough to what I mean to say is it is good enough for the mixing efficiency or mass transfers. Like one of the method we adapt to get the efficiency test of the fermenters is dynamic mass transfer efficiency testing. Means one fermenter, when it is running in a running condition, there is a way to test whether the oxygen we are supplying, whether the mixing pattern we are giving, whether the air flow we are adapting for the process is sufficient enough to make the actual mass transfer coefficient, which is called KLA, that can be determined without disturbing the process, without spoiling single minute of their time, and without breaking or taking any extra time in between the batches. Like the batch will be running, and in between we will be having our test method to give them the feedback that whether the process they are adapting is sufficient enough, or the mass transfer efficiency is good enough to get the nutrients or oxygen for the microbes which they are inculcating, culturing in the bioreactor. That can be tested, and those methods and this thing we have already developed and tested in our customers' place, and they are satisfied. Few people they appreciate us for such kind of things. Apart from the regular thing, as per one person commission the things, the design qualification, installation qualification, or operational qualification, this kind of the performance qualification. These are the part of the things which is required for the FDA or other kind of groups. But apart from that, in situ, without disturbing anything, without making any kind of extra arrangement, they can also know whether their system or our installation or their other process parameter arrangement is sufficient enough for their process. This kind of optimization or kind of knowing the process rightly, giving the right consultancy for optimization, all this kind of thing. Like once we get the inquiry and people shows their interest, we can show that we are much ahead than the common equipment manufacturing company who simply makes the equipment and just supply them. So this is our strength. This is this thing, and also we are very good in the WFI and water management systems, where we supply the DM water system, we supply RO system, and we supply complete water solution for the pharma or biotech industry. That's all these things what we do for the customers. I think I could clarify what is our capabilities, and now we like to get the feedback from the people, and that will be helpful for them, that will be helpful for us to have the future business. So that is the motto of the things. We missed Mr. Lenin Babu because he had some urgency which he could not avoid, and in spite of him, I just given my this thing. So please, thank you very much whoever has given their time for this presentation, and I like to appreciate people and expect their feedbacks and inquiry in due time. Thank you from